Hey everybody, John here. Just wanted to do another video. I did one on the old school Anvil. So I wanted to come back and give you all an idea of the old school versus new school. Let me tell you right now, they were always good. But Paul and Tony's got this, they got it. They really got it. Let me give you a quick comparison just between old and new. Now granted, old was always good, and I still love them, I still have them, and I ain't getting rid of them. But old school, you got your green coming up to about the second eye, okay? And then you have your white. Well, now with the new school, now granted, this is an S-glass rod. So with the new school, you've got a super nice, like, this is a super nice reel seat, like a great reel seat. And then it comes up, and now your grips are like, have the textured cutouts so that, you know, they're a little more, you can grip them a little better. And then you got your green, which is gonna glow even better. You got your green all the way up to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to the 6th eye. I mean, visual wise, wow, 6 all the way up to the 6th eye. And for me, when I run that rod at night, wow, that's all I got to say. So let's get off of the, okay, we know old school, new school material. So let's take this one, put it back in the truck. All right, now let's talk about medium heavy versus heavy. I'll do a quick little thing here on when I start to feel the backbone, so I give you guys a comparison. Now granted, both of these still have a super nice tip for the light bite. All their rods have nice tips. So here's what we're gonna do. I'll tell you when I start to feel the backbone kick in. So this one right here is the, I think this one's the medium heavy. Yeah, this one's the medium heavy. So your backbone's gonna kick in right about there. Now here, this is the actually, I'm sorry, this is the heavy. This is the medium heavy. So now the medium heavy, we're gonna go, all right, so there, it kicks in right there. So it takes a little bit longer to kick in, but then again, that's the difference in medium and heavy. This, you know, your flatheads you're gonna get a little more backbone for the hook set quicker. This, like your channel cats or your smaller fish, you're gonna get a hook set, but it's gonna be a little bit longer for the feel. But yeah, so come over here, let's get a look at this rod. Here, let me take the camera from the camera lady. All right, so let's go right here. All right, there. Look at that rod. Look at that rod. So again, if y'all are even having a second guess about it, go ahead and do it, because I'm telling you, these rods are the real deal, and there won't be nothing else in my boat. Have a good one.